Jaaka go boleletse di champion tsa rona di teng mo diphaposeng kgaso re na le ka kwano ke re Masetla ke ena Mokatisi ga no si una le motlatsa Mokatisi ke re Masemola le ena o teng mo diphaposeng kgaso go na le Thobane Hlatswayo ena ke motshameki ga mmogo le motsamaisi wa setlhopha ena ke Tumelo Mashele re tlo buisana le bona mo maitsiweng a letsatsi la gompieno re lebeletse katlego ya bona e ba e bontshitseng mo metshamekong ya league a re simolla ka ena Mokatisi dumela coach Masetla ra go amogela ra itswile ra go dumedisa mo garang
ke lebo brarori le bathiletsi ba hao rankua
yeah
ke lebo
Tumelo good evening siswam kunjani abusheni
Good evening, Roya. How are you doing?
No, all good. How are you, my sister?
I'm good. And thank you for having us today.
Yeah.
And your greetings to all the listeners in Makaya, at Arankua, and around. Everyone is listening today.
Yeah. Tate Masemol.
Tati.
Dumela lo wena.
Dumela ntate.
Okay. Everything. Thobane Mzala. Kunjani bafu? Siyaphila nathi. Coach Tate Masetla, a re simolle ka wena. Go na le sengwe se ke batlang re se lebelle. Garankua Campus Champions tsa League 2025-26 season le khonne ya.
In a league collective work from the office, from our HOD Dumisan Chauke, our Protea, coaches director, and also Braachi, cannot forget the man. For all guidance and everything that he gives to us. Then to our team, the players coming out with my technical team that we've assembled this season from last season. So it was something that we've built for past 15 years now. So passing to generation as we also use students from technical team to players. So it's something that is difficult to do it, but it needs commitment. So when you have that technical team that is committed, it's very easy for you. If you are there, I'm not there. If Killer is there, it's not there, the team is going to perform. That's something that we built in the team.
Yeah. Tate Masemola, you're going to be the controller. You'll push the mic to Tate Masemola. Tate Masemola, get closer. Tumelo will be our...
mic controller.
Yeah, mic controller. Tate Masemola, o bereka le Tate Masetla as a coach ya campus. Ke go ntse yang?
Ho monate ntate ho bereka le ntate Masetla ke ithuta dilo tse dintsi ntate from yena since I started working with him since 2024. I left coaching I think in 2019. Then Tate Masetla invited me to come and work with him in 2024. Then is where we started. I remember we took position 2 last season. Then we carry on again for 2025 and 2026. Then we managed to win the league. Yeah, it was fun and amazing to work with him. Yeah.
Uzere guy. I grew now. Let's go 2019.
Yeah, can it? Ke invitele ke my younger brother who bamita Coach Vondo.
Yeah.
Also known as Coach Parker. Yeah, he's working for TUT development. Yeah, ke ena invitele ampotorno coach o tlhoka somebody a ka tla tlo mo assista. So he told Coach Masetla, and then Coach Masetla told him, no, I'll invite your brother to come and work with us.
Yeah.
And then that's where it started.
Okay.
Yeah.
As a team manager, Tumelo, what are your responsibilities mo teaming?
My responsibilities as a team manager with Garankua Campus FC, living with the mandate, with the motto of TUT, we empower people. Being a product of TUT, being empowered by TUT, I understood the role so much that I have to work with working with both the technical team, the staff, and the players to empower each other. There is not only about empowering the players; they're not only the primary of it, but together we empowering each other there. I understood that very much to say, okay, as I stand to take this position, I will live by the mandate that has worked upon me, being the product of TUT, and imply it to seeing other people being empowered by the environment that we live within, ensuring the welfare of the players. Because I remember there's varsity students. And we need to, the main mandate why they are at TUT is to make sure that they excel academically, right? Before we come to sports. Yes, something that we also look deep into it, because we want to empower those talents within the people, within the students. So we're making sure their welfare is good, making sure their mental state, they're able to balance both their academics and also with sports. A side that is lacking. We should always make sure that there is that balance between them. Also, working with the players, working with people, we have to make sure that communication is the foundation.
Yeah.
Understanding people's feelings, personalities, characters, that's what we have to deal with.
Yeah. Mzala, asise kuwe baba, ungasondela. From you as the players, what was the message mancala season? What was the message from the technical team? What was the mandate?
For i-message nje yokuqala eqhamuka coach ukuthi asifune lose. Yeah, before sidlala into esisuke siyazi le ukuthi no lose. We rather draw. Yeah, so masiya lapha besiya ngomoya oyi-1 ukuthi siyowina as usual, and bese siyenza into ejwayelekile ukuthi masidlala siyawina, because bese sidlalela ukuthi siyawina every time masiya egamini.
Was it necessary, guys, for you not to play the whole season and not even lose a game?
According to i-team esinayo, I think there's no need ukuthi singaluza, because siyazana, sitraina sonke, sidlala sonke, and we know each other's weak points nama strengths abo. Asifana sikho talented ngendlela eyodwa, but siyasizana to make ama results abe right.
Tumelo just mentioned something very important to say. As much as you are playing football, also academically you need to balance. When are you able to balance academics and sports?
Yeah, for me, ngashuthi ngiyabalancisa since ngenza ama modules, unlike aba attender eHarankuwa abenza ama semester modules, it's become hard for them. Yeah, but for me it's good.
Okay. Ndate Masetla, ereke boele go wena coach. 28 games, 25 victories, only 3 draws, 112 goals scored, only conceded 18.
Yeah.
I go refer the planning phase here this season.
The mandate is to score. So those who want ball position will go and get it, go with Barcelona. That's our mandate. So all we want to score goals. Yeah. So that was mandate. Even our training session is talking about goals. Otherwise, I'll also worried when I watch Bafana games. Yeah, up against Canada. Yeah, we had a lot of passing at the back than we can advance. But nevertheless, coming back to our team. So whatever we are doing, we must talk goals. If we can make 5 touches without touching the 18 area, it's become a problem. It's a stress for me. Because when you check Halfa, when they write the scores, when they write everything, they don't include ball position there. So no need to have it. You need to score and move. Then we are done. That's football. That's the aim. That is why they have polls there. So it's score. So in order for us to relax, to have a good game, starting from Tuesday when we hit the training session, they know the mentality to score. If you don't want to score, go home. Leave us alone. You want to score. That's the mentality that we have installed to the players.
Okay. Are we got qualification under the Masetla? Okay.
Qualification
football
among KFC. Yeah, we will enroll on the B sooner or later.
Okay. Ebile ga bua ka World Cup ka gore remote quarter final prediction a how king ba bombara Spain, Argentina. When now how we shebile re aka?
I'm going with my African brothers, France.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm then.
But France go Europe.
Oh yeah, by the way. I saw the picture. I thought we are home.
No ke a tlhaloganya Ntate Masetla. No ke a tlhaloganya. Go na le dipotso tse di tswelelang fa but what are the plans to achieve promotion to MRL? And how is the mood? I think maybe in the camp.
Yeah, the mood is in the camp so far is higher. I think we've released the players to go home as a student so that they can able to see their siblings. That's the best part that we should do, because they spend a lot of the time away from their parents, their siblings. So we've released them. They're gonna come back on Sunday mostly. Saturday, Sunday they're gonna arrive. The mood is high. It's gonna change. Then the plans to MRR is to win 3 games, first 3 games. If we can get 2 games, another 1 draw, I think we're gonna move to the next level and to score. That's the only thing that we can do is score. But most players in our players that is bothering them. Stage frightening. We arrived there. They play against other team. That other team is knocking the ball, is knocking the ball. But it's not that. That's not our motto. They want to emulate what those guys are doing. So it's very difficult to go and motivate them. But we have to do it. It's our job. We need to start it from Tuesday training session at 9 o'clock to start to say, this is our game. Let's go even play off. What we play in the whole 28 games should not change for these 3 games. Let's do the same thing that we did.
So problem in the stage fright the last time I the play off.
During the stage fright was a big one. I think each of us playing only half and not playing tournament, not moving to other locations like Soshanguve, Tembisa, so that they can feel the crowd. Because at playoff, the crowd is near you. You can feel them. So I think I failed there as a coach, as a head coach. I'll take the full responsibility for last season. So this season we are planning to go out before the playoffs so that they can have that feeling. Already we did one. I think we achieved 2%. We played at Shaka with 80% of Harangwa campus and 10% Pretoria campus and Soshanguve's campus the players. So we'll get 2 or 3 tournaments before we go to playoffs, and that will work.
Tumelo, going to go regioning. Obviously, the team will no longer be playing all their matches Moharankuwa. You'll have to travel across Tshwane. And then I want to find out from you as a team manager, is there any financial model or berikisang or a team all the time back on attend the game financial support? What sort of financial support are you getting?
On that one, we'll go back again to that the motto, we empower people, and the institution has proven to us that that's what it does. And we've been getting our transport from them, making sure that our transport, we get it on time. And even if it happens that we need more than one Kombe to transport players, they make sure that they provide enough transportation, enough facilities that they give to us.
Okay. And so far, separately happy about whatever that Sebas provider.
Yes, we are happy. We're really happy.
Okay. Mzala, let me come back to you, Autiaka. What are your expectations? Timmy, you are going to the playoffs. Coach, you are the last time Ubuaka stage fright. This time around, you get a second bite of a cherry. What can we expect from Harangwa campus?
Ngicabanga ukuthi enakulindela manje ama results amahle from ama playoffs la siwadlala. We need to win all ama game lawa esiwadlala so that sizokhona ukudlulela kwesinye stage. And ngicabanga ukuthi nabafowethu laba khona bayazi ukuthi kulindelekeni kubo bazoyimisela so soqhubeka nemidlalo until isidlulela kwesinye stage.
Join team Ibiang, how did you join campus?
Ngiqala ukujoina masivula ikole bekunama trials. So coach wasibiza sonke abafisa ukujoin i-team sa trial then wa choose ke. Luckily nami ngaba kubo laba bachuzwayo so ngakhona ukudlala for i-team.
Was it always a dream for you to play football, or it was part of you or it was part of your academics? Was it something that you wanted to do, playing football?
Into engifisa ukuyenza engisafisa nokuqhubeka ukuyenza engithandayo nje.
Kukuphi ekhaya?
Kuse Newcastle KZN.
Okay. Oh yeah, no ke tseba Newcastle ba Coach, o no le teng ka di playoffs. A ke wena o tsene ka 2024.
Yeah. Now next thing the playoffs it's a
yeah, but scenario e coach wa tlhalosang, are you familiar le yona? Are stage fright?
Yeah, I can say I'm familiar Leona because Lena I'm working le development. So yes, I want more development thing. This thing is stage fright. Ever the tournaments. So I think we need to work on mentality of the players start now when you go to this other stage, so that the player cannot perform. We need to work on the mentality. They need to know this is another stage. So they need to perform at their highest level and not be afraid. Just be courageous, fight for everything, just give everything, and also remember they are representing Harangua and also representing TUT. So they must play for the badge and give it their all.
Prediction how ya World Cup again? Coach Kutla are Africa.
Yeah,
last time I saw an African team, I think they lost 2-0.
Yeah,
but he spoke about Africa.
Yeah, so far we no longer have African teams to go World Cup, but we can say France because they have African players there.
No, yeah.
Yeah, so my prediction, I think France gonna win.
Spain also win.
Tiki-taka, not sure. Yes, by Twara Bolo Movona, they play beautiful football. They have also good quality players.
Yeah.
But looking at France, France, you can see that they won this tournament badly. So I think France is gonna win.
Problem in South Africa nailing World Cup.
Problem in South Africa, I think, as coach has explained, this thing is stage fright. I think was also there, part of it, and also again, First game, I think our coach is also to be blamed for the first game because he didn't play in our strength. He didn't use our strength because you know that South Africa, we have players who are very skillful. So he used too many defensive players. So now we didn't have more creative players who can help the team going forward. So I think the first game is where we lost it. We didn't have more creative players going forward. And then the game against Canada, I think, the game against Canada, he was supposed to play Mufokeng. According to me, he was supposed to start the game. So now the coach was just was not spot on. I think even his subs were not spot on. Yeah. So I think he was not courageous enough. He didn't believe in our players because our players, their strength, they are very skillful. So he needed just to believe in our players so that he can achieve more going forward.
Yeah. That was le potso fa gore ke na gona re potso e bare what are the targets of the team for next season? Any new players expected? Ke akanya gore gongwe we bolella gore ha le ka khona gore le advance le ko MRL go tlile go nna le player recruitment kgotsa o tseya bona bo Mzala le ba bang le ba nentse ba le teng o ye ka bona go MRL.
Okay, thanks for that question. Well, definitely we are going to have new players. Remember, we are university each and every year. Let's just use a year, not a season. A year I lose students, not players. So others they graduate, they move. So obviously we have to have under 21. We don't expect to have 7 to 8 under 21 on campus that can compete in the MRL if we succeed at the playoffs.
Yeah.
So if we succeed in the MRL playoffs, we're gonna have trials, especially for looking for under 21 because seniors, we are sorted with seniors just to get under 21s. And here at Harangu have best players. Believe in me, these teams can win each and every weekend.
Yeah. But are you under pressure to win the playoffs?
No, as personally, I can say I can give myself a pressure, but the university doesn't give us a pressure. We need to make sure the student participate in extra mutual activities. But when you play, we compete to win. We all want to win. We all want those accolades to be on our shoulders. But I always tell students that, like the manager said, academic first. So the funny part, when we have exams and test week, we don't train. Just play games only because they're here for school. Yeah.
Okay, no, ke go tlile coach mo go yona ntlha ya batshameki. Ona le ntate Masemola mo o ka re the type of relationship ona le yona as o le coach le ena ke entseng jang go nena o tlhalose le tlhakore la gago ke batla go utlwa la gago.
The type of relationship I have with all my technical team from starting from Coach Letiane, Semi, Expo, coming to Bra City, Baba City, may his soul rest in peace. He's the one who nurtured me and showed me how to play. In the last years when he left us, I did a lot of things in football with him. He told me a lot of things, and he taught me a lot of things how to run a team. And thanks for that again. I still say Baba City is taking accolade today because of what he did to me. So I really appreciate every day. May his soul rest in peace again. So coming to Coach Rambo Tabo also, we take it as a brothers. Also, we come to Coach Soli. He joined us, his brother also. Before we start with the training session, we chill together, we do a lot of things together. So that when we start to hit the preseason, we start to engage with the players. We now understand each other. Coach Soli is like this, Coach Soli is not like this. Then we have our Coach Klohi also. He's not here. He's our first assistant coach. We've been with him for 4 years now. I think from SAB. We've been with him for 4 years. Little Nolo. He's working at SMU. I'm not still in SMU. I invite people just come to us. But we have another one is our brother also. So to me also as a sister, we build that relationship. Before we enter the pitch, we understand each and our emotions. And at the end of the day, when I take decision, I know this one, how he's going to feel, how he's going to do. So I took their feelings first before mine. Because they need to lead the team. It's not about me, it's about them. They know. Even if I'm not around, they don't need to ask me, Coach, then I'll come back where I am, then I'll move forward. So as Soli is here, we call it brothers, we take it as brothers. Then assistant coach after.
Okay. Potso engwe ke coach gore how will the internal league e leng gore bare we run professionally and good it lo go thusa yang gore gongwe kwa kraba tshameki ko internal league o batlise ka mo campus
re go pay sleep when re mchambile re fitlile ga go internal league okay but we are there.
No, it's a question. Yes.
Okay. Internal league is part and parcel of my job. One thing that people should know, I'm not TT as a coach. I'm TT as a sports stores assistant. One of my job description is to run mass participations. Running mass participation to make sure with internal league we have football, super pool, chess, and also netball.
Okay.
So coming to the question of our view, each and every year will make internal league to be fashionable across universities. So, and we've invited 20% of non-student in our internal league so that we can integrate with our community, because we take as Harangua campus as part of parcel of Harangua community. That is very, very important. Even though tomorrow I can die, the legacy of internal league is going to serve the Harangua campus and Harangua community. And lastly, the university of Harangua campus is not our university. It's Harangua Community University. They should know that, and they should be proud of this university and support it and be with it. Everyone is welcome to join.
Okay. Coach Tubel, di ka di medal aus le trophy ke di bone team manager. You are the champions, but I can't see the trophy and the medals. What's happening?
Ish. That's one, Rory. It's a matter that we still need to bring it forth with the league, the Khalfa officials, to sit down to say, okay, we play Khalfa and we pay affiliation, but yet we don't get rewarded as we expect us to be rewarded. You see, players need to go out there and say, I was once a Ga-Rankuwa campus player. This is what I played from Halfa. Now that you are even going for playoffs, it is Ngiqalela. Now we have something to hold on, but we haven't received any from the officials, the Halfa.
Yeah.
And we are hoping sana lithemba.
Okay.
Mhlambe khona bangakwenza.
All right. Babu Hlatshwayo, lastly bafo siyavala manje, I want to find out from you, niya kuma playoff manje niyodlala khona as a team, wena as the leader, are you feeling any pressure to promote the team?
Ngasho ukuthi kukhona lokho ukuthi if team ayikhona ukukhuphuka futhi ithina singenzanga kahle, so kukhona lokho ukuthi we have to do our best ukuthi team ikhuphuke and kumele siyimisele lokho kwangempela. Yeah, so ikhona leyo pressure leyo ukuthi labantu esiyodlala nabo asibazi, and we need to push as much as we can.
Yeah. Base banike ama date ukuthi niyodlala nini? Do you have the dates? Have they confirmed as yet?
Bebethe aqala ngi 24 ama games.
July.
July, yes.
Okay. All right. Ari buse go wena Mokatisi ka re ikutlwa umzala are ka bo di 24. Ba se ba le file date or lwena o sa tshwere yona ya di 24?
No, it's umzala. It's 25 and 26
okay.
So far. But knowing our Safa's fan, we can jump to date. or 1st or 2nd of August.
Yeah.
The winning team, I'm always saying with the coaches at playoffs, say you're gonna win it, but the preparation time is going to be less. So that is why most of the time the team that win playoffs immediately they come back, because the preparation, especially issue of under 21, they don't get that enough time. But just hope Safatwan will stick with the 25 and 26.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, Bakaito, Rebogile Balaita Bofelo, Austumi, Aruto prediction how Kaitiria Gutla Bare France, wena Upi, who are you baking this time around? Because Mzansi for sure we are out.
Kuleyo ndawo ne bazongishaya.
Okay, they better. Yeah.
Angazi ukuthi ngizobe ngiqamba manga mangithi Argentina, ngizothi Messi.
Okay.
I've always been a big fan for that.
Okay, all right. Babu Hlatshwayo, who are you baking this time around, Baf?
France.
Or France.
Yeah, France.
Okay. All right. Ga-Rankuwa campus, thank you very much. All the best, right? So, when I let's drop us a heli go metshameko ya di playoff. Ga ke itse ga ona le sengwe sa bofelo a re se gatise.
Yeah, thanks, Braroni. Re khopela badudi ba Ga-Rankuwa ba botlhe ba tle ba re support.
Yeah.
Ba tsamaile rona. Is ntwe ke ya bona. University la ke ya bona sa rena. Rena re ba e tle fela o tsamaisa machine fela.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, ke molaetsa montlo o tswang jalo go stopeng so sa Ga-Rankuwa campus ke di champion tsa ka kwano mo Ga-Rankuwa, ra ba lebogisa ka tiro entle e ba e dirileng mo metshamekong eo ya league.